Welcome to our YouTube channel, where today we'll dive deep into the hidden code of the universe, exploring the sacred blueprint that underlies everything in existence. These are not just man-made laws constrained by time or geography, but cosmic laws, timeless and universal. They don't govern your actions with the threat of punishment, but guide your life towards greater wisdom and fulfillment. Stick around as we uncover these profound principles and learn how to apply them to our everyday lives for transformation and growth. Our journey begins with the law of divine oneness. This principle teaches us that we are all interconnected, part of a divine infinite energy greater than ourselves. Every action, thought, and word we speak ripples through the universe, affecting the whole. In recognizing this law, we understand that no one is alone. We are all on this journey together. We are not merely drops in the ocean, but the ocean in a drop. So, how can we apply this principle in our everyday lives? Start by recognizing the divine in every individual you encounter. Treat every interaction as an opportunity to express kindness and understanding. When you speak, let your words reflect your understanding of this unity. When you listen, do so with empathy, knowing we are all branches of the same tree. Next up is the law of vibration. This law suggests that everything in our universe, including our thoughts and feelings, operates on distinct frequencies or vibrations. If you want to attract something into your life, you must match your vibration to that desired frequency. Think about your thoughts and emotions. When you're filled with joy and positivity, you feel light and buoyant, vibrating at a higher frequency. Conversely, when you're negative, you feel heavy and weighed down, vibrating at a lower frequency. Now, let's explore the law of correspondence. This law states that what's going on inside you matches what's happening outside you. Your inner feelings and thoughts directly affect your external world. This means you are the architect of your reality. To change your world, you must first change yourself. Your thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes paint the picture of your life. The things you think about become the things you have to live with. Moving on to the law of attraction, which states that, whatever you focus your attention on, positive or negative, you attract into your life. This principle emphasizes the importance of belief. You must believe that you can achieve what you desire. You can't attract something you don't believe is possible. So, focus on positivity and believe in your goals. The law of inspired action tells us that while aligning our thoughts and feelings with our desires is essential, nothing changes until we take action. But not just any action, inspired action that aligns with our intuition and inner guidance. Inspired action feels natural, effortless, and in complete alignment with who you are. It's when you're so excited about your vision that you're drawn to take action because you want to, not because you have to. The law of transmutation of energy teaches us that everything, including thoughts and feelings, is made of energy. Energy can't be created or destroyed, but can be changed from one form to another. Be mindful of your thoughts and feelings. Quickly shift from negative to positive to avoid attracting undesired outcomes. Your thoughts become things, so choose them wisely. Now, the law of cause and effect, often associated with karma. It states that what you do to others or to the world will come back to you. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Recognize that you reap what you sow. If you want to change your outcomes, alter the causes you set in motion. Give love to receive love, be kind to experience kindness, and so on. The law of compensation tells us that we will be rewarded in direct proportion to the value we provide to others and the world. It's not just about material gains. It includes love, kindness, joy, and peace. When you give love freely, you find love. Spread joy, and you experience joy. Remember, the value you contribute will find its way back to you. The law of relativity reminds us that nothing is inherently good or bad. It's all about the meaning we assign to things. It urges us to see our experiences from a broader perspective. Stop labeling everything in your life as good or bad. Understand that events are neutral. It's your perception that gives them meaning. The law of polarity states that everything has an opposite. In your darkest times, there exists the potential for light. Even in struggles, there are seeds of opportunity. Embrace the idea that challenges are opportunities in disguise. Understand that life's polarities are part of the natural order. The law of rhythm tells us that everything in the universe moves in cycles or patterns, like the changing of seasons. Our lives, too, are subject to these natural rhythms. Be patient and let things happen naturally in their own time. Trying to force things disrupts the natural flow and can lead to chaos. Finally, the law of gender has nothing to do with male or female, but refers to the balance of masculine and feminine energies within ourselves and the universe. Embrace both aspects of your nature to reach your full potential. Balance these energies to become complete individuals. Conclusion host. On camera, these ancient laws have guided the wisest people throughout history. By following these laws, you align with the universe's natural order, making life more harmonious and fulfilling. Which of these laws resonate with you the most, and which one do you plan to apply in your life starting today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have a beautiful day, and remember, you have the power to shape your reality.